celebrates Ram Navami. It was the day of Ram Navami, the birthday of Lord Ram. Hanuman went to the city as a Brahmin, where he performed a special yajna on the birthday of his Lord. Lord Krishna and Narad decided to test Hanuman. So, they also went to the same city, dressed as Brahmins. After performing all the rituals, Hanuman started offering food to everyone with his own hands. All the people sat in the queue, and so did Lord Krishna and Narad. Narad whispered to Krishna, "I do not think Hanuman will recognize you." Meanwhile, Hanuman approached Narad and he was about to put food in his plate when his eyes fell upon the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. As soon as his eyes fell upon the feet of his Lord, Hanuman forgot everything and he kept gazing at Krishna in devotional manner. Hanuman lost in thoughts. Hanuman was serving the guests in the Ram Navami celebration. Narad tried to act normally by asking for food. But Hanuman was deeply in thoughts of Lord Ram after seeing the feet of Krishna. He kept the food aside and paid his humble greetings to Lord Krishna. Hanuman asked, "What mistake have I done that my Lord has come to me and asked for food?" Lord Krishna said, "How can I be annoyed with you? You are so dear to me. I have come to give you my blessings." Hanuman said, "But my Lord, this darshan is incomplete until I have also paid my greetings to Goddess Rukmani, incarnation of Sita. I will visit Dwarka and pay my homage to you both." Krishna invited Hanuman to Dwarka. Goddess Rukmani asked Krishna how it all went. Krishna said, "I knew Hanuman would surely recognize me." To this, Narad asked, "Oh Krishna, why did we go there if you were so sure about it?" Krishna smiled and answered, "I wanted to teach you a lesson, Narad. That's it." Betel leaves and butter for Hanuman. Once, Goddess Sita spotted Hanuman in a betel leaf garden. Hanuman bowed at her feet, seeking her blessings. At that moment, Sita plucked a few betel leaves and showered on Hanuman in order to bless him. The legends related to offering of butter to Hanuman is related to the battle between Ram and Ravan. During the battle, Hanuman used to carry Ram on his shoulders so that he might fight against Ravan, as Ram did not have any chariot. Ram was also giving a tough fight to Ravan. None of Ravan's arrows were affecting Ram. Ravan became frustrated. He changed his tactics. Instead of attacking Ram, he started to aim at Hanuman, who was carrying Ram. Hanuman got severely injured during this act. Lord Ram began to fight like a whirlwind and soon made Ravan run from the battlefield. When they retired to their camp, Ram made Hanuman lie down. And in spite of his protests, Ram applied cool butter on Hanuman's burning wounds. Hanuman and Balram. The legends relate to the great battle of the Mahabharata. After Duryodhan and his kin were defeated in the Kurukshetra battle, Balram, brother of Krishna, returned to find that Krishna was the cause of his friend Duryodhan's defeat. Balram vowed to take revenge on the Pandavas and started treating Krishna with contempt. To control Balram's attitude, Satyabhama, Gaurav, and Krishna hatched a plot. They involved Narad for its execution. Narad visited Hanuman and casually told him that he was on his way to meet King Balram. Hanuman, the eternal devotee of Lord Ram, was angered by the name Balram. He asserted that there was no person stronger than Ram, and unless Balram changed his name, he would destroy him forever. When Balram came to know about it, he decided to fight against Hanuman. Hanuman shattered Balram and his palace. He showed Balram the power of Lord Ram's name. Balram realized his mistake and the false pride he was into. He apologized to Krishna.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.